Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can add another number to Zangi. In order to do so, here we are at Zangi.com, and in order to find the answer to our question, we're going to check in with Perplexity to find out how you can add another number to Zangi.
Zangi doesn't actually use multiple phone numbers. One of its key features is anonymous registration without a phone number, so there's no built-in way to add another number to your account. If you need more guidance, the official Zangi support page would be your best resource.
So there you have it. You're going to need a separate device, essentially. If you're going to want a separate number, you're going to need a separate device because the number that you have with your Zangi is connected to the device that you are using it on. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our Linktree, and there you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our promo code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link to get $50 to open an account, and you can refer your friends and family to get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.